People have a very deep emotional connection to Sesame Street. There's kind of a halo around the brand. People just melt with a smile. I am the VP of Creative at Sesame. I work within the production department, so the creative department includes production and creative services. We work with all the producers that make the show, but what I like to say is, as we create the brand, we take the storytelling and continue telling it across all the other platforms. We work in digital, we work with products, we work with the educational departments, all the design that supports all those different audiences. My education at RIT really shaped me. I went into school as a kind of a decorator, and I left a designer. I think RIT is a work school. I think it attracts people who have that in their DNA. I only know the way I went to school there, and we all worked really hard. I've always worked designing for kids. It's been rewarding working for a social good company, working on projects that actually, improves the lives of children. It's very satisfying. It's been a lot of good fortune to get here.